PDCA cycle. So, what is the PDCA cycle? The PDCA cycle is the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle. PDCA is a well-defined problem-solving method and continuous improvement. The steps in the PDCA cycle are: plan. Problem is identified and all employees work together to develop a plan for making improvements or solving the identified problem. Do. The plan is implemented as per the defined solution by a cross-functional team. Check. Check the implemented solution and also discuss further improvements that can be possible or not. Act. The implemented solution is documented if it has successfully solved the initial problem. And if the solution is not satisfactory, then again the cycle starts over at the plan phase for finding out other factors. Benefits of the PDCA cycle, Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle. It helps to implement Kaizen and other continuous improvement activities. PDCA method improves the brainstorming skills of your team.